And we're back on the cat tree. It's the only place that I can balance my phone and get a good shot of my nails in natural light. Sprinkles, unfortunately, won't be joining us today. She's lounging around somewhere in the house, but here we have Pure Ice, Grape Ice, and OPI Grape Escape. Both are in the color family. Similar shade range, different finish. So my Pure Ice is 2 coats, my OPI is 5 coats. That's not really a deal breaker. I actually prefer it when nail polish kind of layers on. The Pure Ice is more of a frost. It's not really, or a shimmer. It's not really a true pearlescent, this one, because it's not transparent. The OPI is a creme with these tiny blue microfine glitters. I'm not sure if they show up. Let's see if I can get them to. I'm not sure if that's showing on camera because the sunlight is kind of obscuring my screen, but I tried. Anyway, the reason I didn't want to use a flash is with a flash, those little blue glitters show up insanely bright. They reflect crazy, and that's not true to life. That's not what the color looks like. That's not what the glitters look like. In person, they're a lot more muted. Still pretty, don't get me wrong, they're pretty. I am very grateful that I got a hold of that 40% off coupon and I was able to treat myself to a more luxury brand nail polish. I don't really buy expensive nail polishes because I can't really afford them. I stick to like $5 or less for a bottle, you know. I mean, it's enamel paint for your fingers. It's essentially Rust-Oleum in a bottle. So, I kind of don't understand the price tag, but okay. Yeah. So, not dupes. Still gorgeous color. I actually really love it, especially because it has the blue glitters. Because blue is like my favorite color, so this polish is definitely up my alley. But the hunt for a dupe continues. I do think that if you enjoyed this shade of Pure Ice, you would enjoy this color too. Yeah. Okay, well, that's all. Bye bye.